Welcome to our exploration of how natural disasters have profoundly influenced modern policies across the globe. In this video, we will delve into the awakening call of nature, examining pivotal moments that have reshaped our approach to disaster management. From urban planning and environmental policies to technological advancements and community engagement, we'll uncover the lessons learned in the strategic frameworks developed in response to these challenges. Join us as we analyze how individuals, governments, and international bodies are adapting to create resilient systems for a safer future. 1. The awakening call of nature. Natural disasters have a way of shaking humanity to its core. Whether it's a hurricane, earthquake, or wildfire, these catastrophic events leave an indelible mark on communities and nations alike. As the earth trembles or skies darken, there is a profound realization that our control over nature is limited. This realization often serves as an awakening call, compelling governments and organizations to revisit their policies and preparedness. The aftermath of a disaster is not just about rebuilding structures but also about reconstructing systems to prevent future catastrophes. Thus, these calamities have become catalysts for change, sparking the evolution of modern policies. 2. Historical lessons in disaster management. Historically, mankind has learned significant lessons from catastrophes. The 1931 China floods, for instance, prompted a re-evaluation of water management systems worldwide. These disasters have taught us not only about the fury of nature but also about the importance of strategic planning and infrastructure. When Hurricane Katrina struck New Orleans in 2005, it exposed glaring inadequacies in disaster response and urban planning. Such events emphasize the need for policies that prioritize human safety and infrastructure resilience. They act as case studies, urging policymakers to adopt more robust and comprehensive disaster management strategies. 3. Urban planning and infrastructure. Natural disasters have significantly influenced urban planning. Cities prone to earthquakes, like Tokyo, have integrated advanced architectural designs to withstand seismic activities. The construction of earthquake-resistant buildings and elevated highways is now a norm rather than an exception. As a result, urban planning has evolved to prioritize safety alongside aesthetics. Policies now mandate stricter building codes and regulations, ensuring that structures can endure nature's wrath. This shift in focus is not just a precaution but a necessity, given the unpredictable nature of these events. 4. Environmental policies and climate change. The increasing frequency of natural disasters has underscored the urgency of addressing climate change. Policymakers have been compelled to craft environmental policies aimed at reducing carbon footprints and promoting sustainability. Initiatives such as the Paris Agreement reflect a global commitment to mitigating climate change and its associated risks. The connection between climate change and natural disasters is undeniable, prompting countries to adopt greener practices. These policies signify a proactive approach, aiming to curb the root causes rather than merely addressing the symptoms of environmental degradation. 5. Technological advancements in disaster prediction. Advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we predict and respond to natural disasters. Satellites and sophisticated software now provide real-time data, enabling quicker and more accurate predictions. This technological leap has been instrumental in shaping policies focused on disaster preparedness and response. Governments are investing in early warning systems to minimize casualties and damage. The integration of technology into disaster management policies ensures a more informed and swift response, ultimately saving lives and resources. 6. Community engagement and education. Natural disasters have highlighted the importance of community engagement and education. Policies now emphasize the need for public awareness campaigns and disaster drills. Educating the public on emergency procedures and safety measures can significantly reduce panic and chaos during a disaster. Community involvement is essential for effective disaster management, as locals often play a crucial role in the initial response. By fostering a culture of preparedness, policies aim to empower individuals and communities to act swiftly and effectively in the face of adversity. 7. Insurance policies and economic resilience. reports the economic impact of natural disasters cannot be overstated. In response, there has been a significant shift in insurance policies to mitigate financial losses. Governments and insurance companies now collaborate to devise policies that offer better coverage and quicker payouts. These policies are designed to ensure economic resilience, allowing affected communities to recover and rebuild more efficiently. By addressing the financial implications, these measures provide a safety net, preventing a disaster from spiraling into an economic catastrophe. 8. International cooperation and aid policies. Natural disasters often transcend borders, necessitating international cooperation. Aid policies have evolved to facilitate quicker and more coordinated responses to disasters. Countries now collaborate, sharing resources and expertise to tackle these challenges. International organizations like the United Nations play a pivotal role in orchestrating global efforts, ensuring that aid reaches those in need promptly. These cooperative measures reflect a collective understanding that natural disasters are a shared challenge, requiring a united approach to mitigate their impact.